Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to show you where we top up each of the fluids on the car. So we're going to go ahead and open up the driver's door fully. Then we're going to come down into the footwell and pull this lever here to open the bonnet. Come back round to the front of the car and put your hand just above the Hyundai badge and lift that up. And we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. So once that's safe and secure, we can go ahead and have a good look around the engine bay. Now there's four main fluids that we're going to look at topping up. The first one is our washer fluid, which just goes in here. So you can fill this right the way up to the top, and I would always recommend you use either the concentrate washer solution, what you have to mix with water, or the one that's ready to use. And like I say, you can fill that one right the way up to the top. The next one is our cooling system, which is really low on this car, so I'm going to go ahead and top that up shortly. But make sure whenever you take that lid off, the engine is actually cold. We don't ever want to take that off when the engine's hot, because the water could come out under pressure. So make sure you fill that up when the engine's cold, and you're just going to go to the maximum line there as well. Now it's worth mentioning that you should always put the same colour coolant in. So on this one's pink, they keep it nice and simple, so we only put pink coolant in there. And again, you either get the dilute concentrate or you can get the ready to use. Next we're going to move on to the brake fluid, which is this reservoir just here, and you can see on the top there it's dot 3 or 4. I would recommend that you always use the same dot rating, whether it's 3 or 4 when you've topped it up before. And there is again just a maximum line on the side, and you can see this is dead on the maximum right now. So lastly we have our engine oil, which of course we've got a dipstick for. So you pull your dipstick out, give that a good clean off. So for this one you've got the two lines and a bit of a grating in the middle. So we're going to make sure that the oil's always between those two lines and closer to the top one. So like I say, you'd clean that, you'd dip that straight back in, and then you'd pull that out again to check the level, and you can see mine's bang on the top line. If it is low, we go ahead and we fill it up, and we fill it up by this bit here. Just making sure we use a funnel or something so it goes straight in the hole rather than around the engine. And then once you've, keep checking it with the dipstick, and then once you're at the desired level, just make sure that's done up nice and tight. And there we go, that's the main fluids on a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.